Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Get ready to dive deep into the world of audio innovation with the Beats Fit Pro. If you're looking for the perfect blend of immersive sound and cutting-edge design, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the extraordinary features of these earbuds. Let's kick things off with sound quality. The Beats Fit Pro brings fully adaptive active noise cancelling (ANC) to the table, making sure you hear only what you want to. It constantly adjusts to the sounds around you, optimizing your audio experience in real time. And when you need to stay aware of your surroundings, just switch to transparency mode. The custom acoustic platform delivers a powerful, balanced sound, while spatial audio with dynamic head tracking immerses you in your favorite music, movies, and games. The design is all about comfort and stability. With flexible, secure fit wingtips, you can wear these earbuds all day without any discomfort. They're also sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, so your workouts or outdoor adventures are worry-free. Taking a closer look at the earbuds themselves, they're incredibly compact, measuring just 3 centimeters in length, 2.4 centimeters in width, 1.9 centimeters in height, and weighing only 5.6 grams. These lightweight earbuds are designed for ultimate convenience. The charging case is pocket-sized, measuring 6.2 centimeters in length, 6.2 centimeters in width, 2.85 centimeters in height, and weighing 55.1 grams. It not only keeps your earbuds safe, but also ensures you can enjoy your music for longer. Just 5 minutes of fast fuel charging gives you up to 1 hour of playback when the battery is running low. The Beats Fit Pro is all about seamless connectivity. For Apple users, it's a breeze with one-touch pairing and the H1 chip that offers automatic switching, audio sharing, and hands-free Hey Siri voice assistant. The Class 1 Bluetooth provides an extended range and fewer dropouts, ensuring high-quality call performance and voice assistant interaction. Android users don't feel left out. The Beats app for Android brings enhanced features for a tailored experience. The power in these tiny earbuds is impressive. You get up to 6 hours of listening time with ANC turned on, and the pocket-sized charging case provides an additional 18 hours of playback. The included USB-C to USB-C charging cable ensures you can charge them conveniently, and it's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Controls are a breeze with a single multifunction button on each side. You can manage music, calls, and your voice assistant effortlessly. The built-in microphone with wind reduction ensures your voice is crystal clear, and with optical sensors and motion accelerometers, your audio playback pauses automatically when you remove the earbuds. In the box, you'll find the Beats Fit Pro earbuds, silicone ear tips in 3 size options, a matching pocket-sized charging case, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. The packaging is not only impressive in its content, but also its commitment to sustainability, with 89% plant-based materials. And there you have it, the Beats Fit Pro, a remarkable fusion of incredible sound, comfort, and convenience. If you're as excited about these earbuds as we are, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay in the loop for more tech reviews. We're always here to keep you updated on the latest tech trends and innovations. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep the tech vibes strong with the Beats Fit Pro.